In this video, I'll show you several ways to reset a Samsung TV with a black screen, starting with the easiest methods and moving to more advanced solutions. Method 1. Soft Reset. The fastest reset method is a soft reset. If your TV is still responding internally but the display is black, this can often restore the picture. Turn the TV on and point the Samsung remote at the television. Press and hold the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Keep holding until the TV turns off and then restarts. If successful, the Samsung logo should appear and the TV will reboot automatically. Method 2. Power cycle. If the remote reset doesn't work, perform a power cycle reset. Turn the TV on if possible, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 to 60 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds to drain any remaining electrical charge. After that, reconnect the power cable directly to a wall outlet and turn the TV back on. Method 3. Disconnect all devices. Sometimes the black screen is caused by an HDMI device rather than the TV itself. Unplug every device connected to the TV, including streaming sticks, gaming consoles, cable boxes, soundbars, and HDMI cables. Once everything is disconnected, unplug the TV from power for 1 minute. Reconnect only the TV power cable and turn it on. If the picture returns, reconnect devices one at a time until you find the one causing the problem. Method 4. Factory reset. If the TV still has sound, menu tones, or voice guidance but the screen is black, a factory reset may help. On most Samsung smart TVs, the factory reset path is go to Settings, then to General and Privacy, and Reset. The default pin is usually 0000 unless you change it. A factory reset removes installed apps, account information, and customized settings, returning the TV to its original factory condition.